Hey, welcome. And today, see, my name is Alok. I am an online English spoken teacher. But time to time, we have to know about writing part also because it has similar importance. If you know how to speak and you don't know how to write, so at that time you are stuck. Your career become a stationary. So we have to know how to write, and time to time we have to check other also, like how they write and is it correct or not. Likewise, I got an information last week that there are so many fraud and they are posting job and they will be asking for some fee or some registration fee or so on. So uh, the information was, if you are getting even on shine.com, naukri.com, it doesn't matter, these all are a standard platform, but the posting job, they are trapper. There would be many such people, they wants to trap you, they want to cheat. So for that, these guys, this platform like Shine or Naukri, or there are other so many standard job platform, they never take risk. So they keep on updating on time to time. So last week I got to know, like, if you are watching some posting, some job post on my site, so you have to be aware and you have to take care of some mistakes their writings. By writing you can get to know like how professional they are, and is it authenticate, legitimate, or that may be kinds of cheater or cheat. So I'm not gonna say it is kind of cheater or cheat, but if somebody they are professional or they want to really hire somebody, so their writing would be at least compelling to watch, to read, to know. So likewise, you can see here I got an email, hiring officer coordinator, Hosri Complex, Noida. Anyway, so see, you can see here writing uh, Puneet placement. So here Puneet placement is the name. So I can say Puneet is adjective, placement. So what does it mean by adjective? So adjective says something about noun and pronoun. So here placement is noun and adjective is Puneet. So it is saying what placement. So Puneet placement. So Puneet is here adjective. Puneet placement in requirement. So here what does it mean by in requirement? I'm not getting it. So here you can say clearly in requirements. No, completely wrong. So here it should be like Puneet placement is in requirement. So first mistake here, and it looks like not a professional or somebody they are really legitimate or genuine or a standard. Okay, now just let's go below of below mentioned position. So okay, requirements again noun here. So I would be correcting with parts of a speech too to understand. In requirement, requirement is noun, of here is preposition, below mentioned position. So here below mentioned, both are adjective, both are saying about the noun. Noun is position, so below mentioned position, it means below mentioned both are adjective and position is noun. Okay, now position, hiring office coordinator. Okay, so position is like they are trying to say hiring office position. So here hiring is noun, you know the gerund ing form, hiring office coordinator. Okay, Hosri Complex, Noida, that is a location name. So here if I go through parts of a speech, so Hosri Complex would be noun, would be adjective, or Noida is noun. So again, adjective comes before noun to say something, to qualify them. So here Hosri Complex is saying something about Noida. So where? Noida. What? hosiery complex. Okay. Experience anyway. 3 8 years. Salary. So here generally salary supposed to be S in capital letter, or like experience he has mentioned. So salary 60K to 1.5 lakh. Okay. 5 days working. 5 is adjective, days is noun, working. So 5 days working. See guys, I would be going too deep here. 5 days working. So if they are putting days working, so here it should be 5 day working, not 5 days. So 5 days becomes adjective. Adjective cannot be pluralized, or we cannot make plural of adjective. So here it should be 5 day, not days. So it is saying something about noun. So here working is noun. Don't confuse. It is gerund form, right? So 5 day working, it should be here. 5 day working. Care facility. Oh my god. So after 5 day working, there should be full stop, comma. Nothing has been given here. Again, one more mistake. Care facility available. Pick and drop plus food facility provide. So again, pick and drop plus food facility provide, not provide. Here it should be food facility will be provided or is provided. So here again mistake. Company and. So these complete a structure, if I go through, it looks like some child, some small baby has written these a structure, right? Need for candidate. Okay, again mistake. Need, right? So here I'm comparing it as a verb and it start with imperative sentences. So need for candidate. So here should be need for candidates. Need for candidate urgent. So need for candidate. Okay. So he is trying to separate need in other sentence. So he has mistake again. He has done one more mistake here. So here supposed to be need or requirements. Then it should be for candidate urgent requirement. This completely structure is incorrect, right? Two female and two male candidate. So again here they are writing two female and two male. I understand if this is two female and two male, I consider as an adjective. So here supposed to be candidates, not candidate. Next, having knowledge of Excel emailing. I agree. Here having is like gerund form of, or you can say noun. Knowledge of Excel and emailing. Okay. Good follow up skill. Good follow up skills. Job timing 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Good command, right? Good command of written and speak in English. So guys, here he is writing good command of written. Okay, here he should change some other preposition, but anyway, good command of written and speak in English. So here he is asking good command for written and spoken English, but he himself is not writing correct description. Excellent communication skills needed for the profile. MS Office, MS Word, Excel, internet, surfing. So here after comma he should not write capital I, it should be a small I. Excellent. Again, he is mentioning the same. So you can see by looking this, anybody can assume that this requirement has been created by some unprofessional, unlegitimate, or not somebody they are reputed one. So don't fall under somebody's trap. They are trying to find somebody, or finally they call you, you apply, they ask you for registration fee, they ask you for, you know, other charges, and finally we trapped there. Likewise, there are many trap, or many such people they are trying to do so. I have found some other ad also. Let me show if it is there or not. Okay, see, this job is for Singapore. Hi friends, you can see here, hi friend. Okay, so here hi age uh, exclamation. So hi friend, agree. Need freshers person. See guys, I want to show you here some parts of a speech. Need freshers person. Guys, need, okay. Here need is used as an imperative verb sentence. It is starting with imperative. Need freshers person. So guys, here fresher is an adjective. Why? Because it is qualifying the person. So here it should, person is noun and fresher is adjective. So we cannot make plural of adjective. And here you can see freshers, right? Freshers. So again it is mistake. There are so many such people they are trying to trap nowadays. They are wanting to take undue advantage nowadays. Many people they are jobless and they are trying to find some job, and these people they are trying to find such people, they are in need, or they can trap such people. So never ever fall with such people. They are not professional, not legitimate, and not uh, handling a good platform. Anyway, so this is what I wanted to make you aware about some grammar part. With that grammar, I wanted to go through some reference that you can check at your own end. If you are writing some emails or something, you should check once before writing it. So thanks. Bye.